What if you could automate your entire QGIS workflow with just a few lines of Python? No more repeating clicks. No more manual processing. Welcome to PyQGIS, the scripting engine that turns QGIS into a powerful automation tool. In this video, we'll explore the PyQGIS API, the Python interface for automating tasks inside QGIS. We learn how to use the Python console and QGIS via this simple script to load layers and print. Run processing tool directly from Python and QGIS, usable scripts for automation. Let's dive into the world of QGIS scripting. QGIS has built-in Python console just like the terminal and the programming environments. Risk to open it. Go to Plugins of Python console, or you can just press Ctrl-Alt-P to open it. Console lets you write and execute Python's one directly inside QGIS. It's full access to all loaded layers, symbology, and tools. Asterisk, you'll also see the Editor tab where you can write longer scripts and run them as a batch. If you're familiar with Python, PyQGIS works like a library, but with built-in access to your QGIS project. Start with the simple script, loading a shapefile and printing its attributes. Here, I'm importing the layer of what it is by adding its path over here and then putting a check if it's available or not, and adding it to my canvas and then writing the attribute names, so if you run this here, it's added to a canvas and you can see the names of the rivers that are present over there. You can replace the file path and field name with your own dataset, and if you drag a layer into QGIS, you can find the path near property. The next step is automating processing tools like buffer or clip using Python commands. PyQGIS, you can access any processing algorithm through the possessing.run function. This code just performs the same buffer operation you'd run in the GUI, but entirely in Python. We can change parameters and loops across process multiple layers in seconds. Asterisk, so the output layer that we just created, I can add it over here manually. As you can see, the code that we have written over here has made the buffer of the water base. Once your script works, you can save them for use in other projects in the Python console editor tab. You can paste your script and click, say script over here, and you can save it at any location you want. You can run it anytime by clicking one script, or you can add it to the processing toolbox as a custom script. And this simple function automates your entire buffer clip model in one command, reusable for any dataset if you want. So let's recap what we learned. We opened the Python console in QGIS, loaded layers and printed attributes, and ran processing algorithms from Python. And you know how to create now a reusable script for automation. This is our first step into the world of PyQGIS. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and